What's going on, guys? It's Greg. I'm back with another video now and another microphone now. This one is so crazy that I just want to show you what it looks like. So look at this microphone here. That is what we're dealing with now. So we've got a full scale. This should be the best microphone you can get for an iPhone. So hopefully this sounds good to you guys. But this video is going to be about ebooks. Whether you have an ebook or don't have an ebook, or if you don't even think that you're qualified to write an ebook, I think you should watch this video. It'll only be a couple minutes long, but I think it could help you a lot, especially if you do have an ebook. This will bring a lot of value to you. So let me put this in the car mount and let's get into this video. All right, so here's the thing about ebooks. So ebooks, you don't have to be an expert or a best-selling author or anything to write. Ebooks are simply just a culmination of some sort of knowledge put into written form. That's it. And with today's technology, you can easily write ebooks. You can use Kindle Publisher, where you just basically type it up in a Word document, put it into Kindle Publisher, and then all of a sudden you have a formatted ebook ready for people to download. So the first point of this video is if you don't have an ebook, you should consider making one. But now if you do have an ebook, the question that I was asked for this video is, how do you distribute it? Is it best to do it through Amazon, or is that something that you can do through your own website? So the short answer to this for anyone who's in a hurry is you should stick to Amazon and then use their promotion tools to get sales and get reviews on your ebook. And if you try to do it on your own website, you'll run into a bit of issues when you try to deliver that copy to someone who just purchased it. Every time someone purchases it, you have to email them a copy of it, and it has to be in a way that they can download it on their e-reader. But there is quite a bit that I want to cover in this video. So to get into the good stuff here, if you have an ebook, you should upload it to Kindle Direct Publisher. Now, if you don't have an ebook yet, you can basically just type it up in a Word document, and then you can go to kdp.amazon.com and you can download their Kindle formatting kit. Download this software and you basically upload your Word document and it formats it, and you can choose the formatting for Kindle specific. So that way it's friendly and people can just download it right from Amazon. That's super easy to do. And then you just go to kdp.amazon.com, upload the finished product, and then just fill out the title, description, things like that. And all of a sudden, within like 2 days, you have an ebook on the Kindle store, which is on Amazon. And now you will rank on Amazon naturally, but if you're in a heavily saturated niche, then you're going to need to get reviews and get sales to really show up in the rankings and start making a lot of money from this. A huge perk of this is they allow you to do promotions. So once a month for up to 5 days, you can have your ebook completely free. So people can just see it, they can download it, they can read it, and they can leave a review. And you'll see that if you do this once every month for 5 days, you'll get a lot of people that are downloading your book, reading it, and leaving reviews if they like it. This is what's going to boost you up in the rankings, and then you'll get the organic traffic from Amazon, which is a huge power player in organic traffic, especially for ebooks. Now, if you have your own website and you want to sell your ebook there, what I recommend you do is have a picture of your ebook and link to the Amazon listing on Kindle. That way people can download it there, they can leave their reviews there. If they have any issues, they take it up with Amazon. If you try to facilitate the transaction and deliver that ebook to someone through your website, it's very difficult when you have to personally email them every time someone orders, and you have to send them a file that they can download. And a lot of the times people don't know how to download that, and it becomes very difficult. When you do it through Amazon, it's extremely streamlined. Now, here's the catch. If you do have a website and you want to use an ebook on it, there's a really good way to use an ebook on the website that'll get around having to deliver it and facilitate a transaction and all that. And what this is creating either a shorter version of your ebook, or if your whole ebook is something that you're willing to give away, what you can do on your website, whether this is a Wix, a WordPress, a Squarespace, whatever website this is, you can put in an opt-in to get a free ebook for your email address. So all someone has to do is put in their email address and they can download your ebook. And what you do for this download is you just convert your ebook to a PDF file. And all this is someone can just download it and open it right on their computer, open it on their phone, and it's super easy for them to see. Now, it doesn't keep track of what page they're on, just like an ebook does through Kindle, but it's nice and simple. Someone can just download it very easily. So that is the use of an ebook on your website, what's called a lead magnet. So you put it on your website somewhere and people can opt in for free. They can download that ebook completely for free, but it's a lead magnet. So they're leaving something behind, whether that's their phone number, their email address, or some way to contact them. And that, for your purposes on your website, is you can start to build up your newsletter. Now you can contact people who are interested in the things that you're offering on your website. So that's what I recommend you do. If you have an ebook and you're looking to sell it, I hands down recommend you do that through Kindle Direct Publishing on Amazon. I don't recommend trying to sell it through your own website because it can get a little bit difficult. However, if you do have a website, I recommend that you use an ebook as a lead magnet to collect something and build a newsletter list and set that on your website as an auto delivery so it auto emails the PDF version of the ebook right to the website visitor when they opt in. So that was a really good question you guys asked about ebooks. I know this channel isn't primarily about ebooks, but hopefully that clarifies it for any of you guys who are interested in ebooks. And trust me when I say it is a really good opportunity. So if you don't already have an ebook, maybe it's a good time to start looking into one and getting an ebook offer out there, because basically Kindle will do all the marketing for you. So guys, hopefully you like that one. Hopefully you like the sound of this new crazy microphone. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Hopefully it's good. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave them down in the comments. If you have any more video requests, let me know, because I've still got that running list that I'm going through for videos, but I'm always looking for new stuff to add on to it. So hopefully this one helped you guys. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. If you want some more stuff like this, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, I will see you all in the next one.